Welcome back, Budgie Breeder 1 here. Okay, so you guys, when was it? Saturday? Uh, I hate when cars pass by. But yeah, Saturday. So Saturday, I got a new bird. I was supposed to be in post this video, but I didn't. So I'm making it now. So I got this bird Saturday. This is a female opaline clearwing budgie. Um, this is what you guys can use to produce more rainbow budgies, like the mutations that I have showed you guys. So she's been settling along well. There's really not much to say because I don't really know her. She's so new, but she is a beautiful, beautiful budgie. Um, so I'll tell you what happened when I went. How about that? Since I don't know what to talk about. Okay, when I went there, he posted an ad on Craigslist which had rainbow budgies in it, and that was the reason for me going in the first place. And I also seen clearwings, but I really wanted the rainbow budgie, but he wasn't selling it. So when I got there, I found out that he wasn't selling the rainbow budgie, but he just posted it in the ad, maybe to get some sales. But I traveled like 3 hours just to get to the house that the man was selling the budgies from. So I didn't end up getting the rainbow budgie because he wanted it for himself. Don't know why he posted it on the ad, because I thought I was going to really get it, but I didn't, and I only got this one because this one was the only one that he was selling, because he had more clear wings in the picture as well. But the silly cicada, but yeah, like I was saying, there were more clear wings in the picture as well, but he just didn't want to sell them, so I had to get this one. I I don't think he was gonna sell this one either, but I managed to get him to sell this one to me. So he sold it to me, and I ended up with this one. Traveled 3 hours just to get one bird, but I know she's gonna be worth it. Like her wings are kind of dark, to be honest, to be a clear wing, but she is one. But I paired her up with my budgie, Cashew. What he's saying? Is he gonna? He's talking. Okay, he stopped talking. But yeah, I paired her up with Cashew in hopes of producing some very, very beautiful chicks. If you guys budgies puffs up like this, I don't know what he does that for. Maybe it helps him talk, but he puffs up his crop. I don't know why. But yeah, that's the bird. That's the new bird. Her name is Majesty. And yeah. Also, these two. Well, you don't see Dewey. He's right here. Alright, these two are going to have eggs very soon, I believe. That's what I'm thinking, because they've been mating a lot, and car passed by. They've been mating a lot, and she's been in a nest box chewing it up, and then she's also been eating this cuttlebone more than normal. So those are signs of eggs. Hopefully she does have eggs, because the last time they've been mating, they haven't been producing any eggs, and I don't know why. But I'll show you what she's did in the nest box, because I cleaned it out after the chick fledged. So she's been chewing her way in here. I'm gonna add some wood shavings after this, so she'll already be prepared, and it could actually like speed up the egg process of her laying the egg, because she has to have her nest just right for her to lay the egg. So yeah, and then she's got the little feathers in here, so she's wanting some eggs, guys. So I'll see. I'll let you guys know if she lays eggs and be making videos again. It's always boring when there's no chicks because there's nothing to talk about. But I did do that video, like the recent video. You guys can go watch that now if you haven't seen it. I think it's okay. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.